Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a frame in Figma. This is super easy. So if you're in your design and you want to create a frame, on the lower part of your screen, you will find the options here that you can use. Just simple click on the frame. You also have the drop down as well. You can switch to sections and so forth. But once you have frame, select it and you'll be able to either draw your frame or just select from the options that you have on the right hand side. So here you have, for example, frames, you have tablets, desktop presentation, watch, paper, whatever it is, social media, and you can just basically select what you want. So in my case here, I'm gonna just choose, for example, let's say I want iPhone 16 frame. I click in that, and as you can see right away, it creates the frame for me that I can use. And you can always change these, right? You're not subject to only using that. The freeform one is basically if you select frame, you can draw whatever you want. So for example, I want this a bit longer, whatever, I can draw it. And as you can see, the frame is there, right? Then you can double click and change the name to whatever. So I'm gonna just say custom, for example, hit enter, and I change that, right? And if I want to say this is not iPhone 16, but let's say this, I want to change it to, for example, iPhone 17. I can just go ahead, enter that, and change a frame. And you can design whatever it is that you want within the frame. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.